Welcome to Bobbi Jo's. I'm Bobbi Jo, the canine chef. We make drool-worthy human and doggy treats here.
Welcome to Bobbi Jo's. Tonight I am going to make some fish for dinner, and Steve's going to have some alligator. If y'all don't know how to make alligator, I'm going to show you. It's not much different than the fish, but we're going to start off with my fish. So I'm melting a half a tablespoon of butter in my skillet. There was still a little bacon grease in the skillet, so it's got bacon grease and butter mixed together here. That's about 1/4 of a Vidalia onion that I've sliced up. I'm going to saute those in there. I'm going to slice up some mushrooms. Okay, I'm going to pour in, place in my mushrooms. I'm going to let those saute just a couple of minutes in that butter. I don't know what's going on with my phone. I don't know if it recorded any of that, but I moved the veggies over. This is a piece of halibut. I dried it with some paper towel, and I've sprinkled some of this seafood seasoning Creole blend on it, both sides. And I'm going to cook it 4 minutes on this side. Then we'll flip it. This is the alligator. They sell this at Food City. I made it for him a long time ago when we lived in Harrison. It's been years ago. They had it at the Food City there. But then after COVID, you couldn't ever find it anymore. He always gets it when he goes down to, and I can't think of the name of the restaurant. I'll have to get him to tell y'all the name of the restaurant when we're having dinner and he taste tests it. But he always gets alligator when he goes down there. So I found this at our Food City opened back up. And I found this, and I said, oh, I'm going to make him some more alligator. I'm not an alligator fan. I don't really care for it, but he loves it. So I'm going to cook half of this up because it's a whole pound. And all I'm going to do is take it out of the pack, take half of it, rinse it, dry it off good, and then I'll go from there and show you what else I do. All right, it's almost been 4 minutes. We got like 18 seconds left, so I'm going to go ahead and flip this and get some more butter over here. This is thick. It's not a very big piece, but it's thick. So it's going to have to cook it just a little bit longer. I'm not going to cook it any more than 4 minutes each side, though. So let me set my timer. 4 more minutes. It'll be done in 4 minutes. Okay, over here, we're going to do the alligator. Okay, I've got 1/4 cup of butter that I've melted. I'm going to pour over this. Just like that. I'm just going to mix it and let it soak in that butter for just a couple of minutes while I wait on my fish to get done. Okay. I think that is done. Starting to get flaky. Still says it's got a minute left. Stir these back here. So my dinner is going to be halibut and some onions and mushrooms. I'll put some onions on his because he doesn't like the mushrooms. Still got 45 seconds left. I'm going to go ahead and remove it because I think it's done. I don't want it to get too dry. Okay. That is my timer for that. Now the alligator doesn't have to cook as long. It's 2 to 3 minutes per side. This is pretty thin. This is the stuff he got. He got honey hog barbecue, meat church barbecue. I'm not sure if it's a seafood one, but he wanted me to try it, so we're going to try it. Sorry about the dog barking in the background. I'm sure you can hear him. Nolan is on it. Alrighty. We are going to to just layer this in the pan, one layer. See if we can get it all to fit in here. And then we're going to sprinkle it down with this stuff he bought. Probably need my fish spatula. Which I'll get here in just a second. Alright, let's put this on it. Set the timer for 2, we'll do 3 minutes. And then we'll come back and flip it. I've got the heat on medium. You can go up higher than medium, but with cast iron, it will start smoking. It's probably going to start smoking with this, but I think anything higher than medium is really hot for cast iron. I mean, medium is like high when you're cooking in cast iron, in my opinion. Okay, timer's about to go off. I'm going to go ahead and pour the rest of this butter in here that it was soaking in. I'm going to go ahead and start flipping. These little pieces, they look like they're about done. Look like they're done all the way through. But let's get these bigger pieces. Okay, it's been 3 more minutes. I'm going to go ahead and remove these small pieces, but these bigger pieces, they need to cook another 1.5 minutes or so. They're still pink inside. Okay, so there's his alligator. I spooned some of the sauce in the pan, the butter and stuff on top of it. He's got a little bit of onion with it. Be good served over some rice or some potatoes or something like that too. But anyway, we'll see what he thinks. I'm assuming eventually he's going to talk.
Each bite just squeezes flavor out of the meat. Oh, it's so good. I love me some gator.
So your seasoning you chose?
Excellent. This is so good. You sure you don't want to buy this?
No.
It's a honey barbecue seasoning.
I don't want alligator honey.
What's wrong with you? This might be my favorite non-fish type meat.
Okay.
It's so good.
Well,
oh man, this.
I'm glad you enjoy it because that's what I got it for. Was for you, not for me. For you.
Well, thank you. This is good.
I'm assuming that's a drool worthy.
Oh, 2 thumbs up, drool worthy. It is so tasty and just succulent.
Okay.
This is good. Thank you.
Thank you for your review. Y'all have a blessed day. Okay, I know I told y'all that there's a restaurant he likes to go to that serves alligator when he goes down to the Atlanta area, and I couldn't remember the name of it, and I was going to get him to tell y'all. So,
Papados.
Papados.
Yeah, they're usually next to either a Papacitas, which is a Papados is like a Cajun version of seafood. Papacitas, I think, is Mexican seafood. I just like alligator. It's just, to me, it's a really good meat.
Okay. Well, I couldn't remember the name of that restaurant, and I was telling them earlier in the video that I'd ask you, and then I forgot to ask you, so. Okay.
Papados.
Papados. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.